Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss another important problem in C++. So this is the problem. Write a C++ program to rearrange the words in a string in reverse order. So this is the input given to us and this is the required output. So we have to just reverse the words, not characters. So this is one word, this is second word, this is third word, and this is the fourth word in reverse order. So it will printed output in this manner. Okay, so what's our approach to solve this type of questions? So what we have to do, firstly we have to just reverse the characters in a string. So this is the 0 index. Our string will take the characters in this form. So firstly we have to just reverse all the words like in this manner. So for the first step, let's see the code. This is the code given to us. We take some string s, then we take the input of a string as a whole. So this is whole input take. Please subscribe my channel. So this is the whole input. So firstly we will run a loop for I is equal to 0 or I less than n divided to I plus plus. So what we will do here, this is the I is equal to 0 position. This is the 1 position, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the space position. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is this space position. Then 17, 18, 19. 19 is this space position. Then 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. So everyone knows that here our array starts from 0 and the value of this n is 27, because s dot length will gives the length from 1, 2, 3 like in this manner. So total length will be 27. So our I loop will firstly run from I is equal to 0, I less than n divided 2. So what will happen in this case? We have taken some variable temp. So temp will become s of I. So firstly I is equal to 0. So temp will take the s of 0 character. So temp is equal to this position. And then s of 0 will become s of n is 27 minus 1, 26. 26 minus 0. So s of 0 becomes 26. So this 0 will become 26. And s of 26 will become temp. Temp in the initial part is 0. So L will become P. So what will happen after this step? So this is the input given to us. So let's run this program. So yeah, so this will be the result. So let me print here. Okay. So this will happen. So with that we have just reversed the order of string. Now you see that this P will go to the last position and L will comes this way. So just we have to go from this position to this position. We have reversed the words in a string. So this is the first step. Now for the second step, what we will do, this is the given. Now we will run our loop from this L position to the end of string. In this way we have to run our string, and whenever the space will come, so let's say so this is the output till here, but we need the end result like this. So what we will do now, we run a loop again from this position to the end of string. Now whenever the space will come, so let's suppose that this index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this index is 7. Okay, so let's say begin, there is some begin, begin is equal to 0, and this is the, let's say that our space comes in place of 7. So we will take the end as 7 minus 1, 6. So we just, whenever the space will come, so we will take the previous index of that space, that is C, and from that C we will print our result. So firstly this is printed, this part, then after that this part will be printed. So let's see how to do. So here we have to again run another loop for I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to n, I plus plus. And now if the space will come, that is this space will come or the end of the string will come. So in that case what we will do, so let's suppose if the space will come or the end of string will come. So in that case what we will do, we will run another loop, that is firstly we have to print, let's take firstly I will write for begin is equal to j, j is the 0, j is 0 this time, and the end is equal to I minus 1, and the begin is less than I plus j divided by 2, and then begin plus plus, and for that end we use minus minus, and then the same we use temp variable, temp is equal to s of begin, s of begin will become s of end, and s of end will become s of begin. Now j is 0. Now for after that we will take j is equal to I minus I plus 1, and then after that we have to print the cout. Let's run this part. This is the input given to us, and okay, I will run now this code. Yeah, this is the input. Okay, so in this way we will run this code. in the mistake. S of n is equal to temp will come. Yeah, now see the output. Yeah, now it will work. It shows channel my subscribers. So this is the required output. So once again I will explain this code, this part here. So firstly we will run a loop from I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 1. Why here is equal to sim? There is a equal to symbol because we run our loop from 0 to not 26 but 27, because we will run our loop till 27, one more space, because we have to find whether the string end will come or not. So for that we will run loop one extra space. So now begin is equal to j. So for first part, begin is equal to 0, end is equal to I minus 1. So whenever the space will come, for that I becomes, now the space will come at 7 position. Okay, so when space will become at 7, so our end will is equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. So I is equal to 0 and now end will become 6. Okay, so after that, in that way we have to just run our loop like here, like this part we have to run, and we have to just print from C to L first. After that, in the next step, j will be incremented, that is I is 7 here, so now j will become 8. So begin is equal to 8, and after that whenever the space will come like here, so it will become like 8, 9, 10. So like this our code will be executed. So this is the whole process. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.